All right.
330A.
Everybody's favorite.
Yep.
Set.
The most exciting elevator ever.
Oh, yeah. And it's not even here. But we're just building up the suspense for a nice hidden gem here. This is at the Whole Foods in Plymouth meeting. Opens back here. And you can send it back down. Certificate here. 2008 is when this was installed.
Okay.
I would end it on this floor because the
Yeah.
surface is right.
Alright, fair enough.
All right, that's it. All right, now this shot is for Falaccia. The only thing better than 330A is 2. See, I'm giving you guys a 2-for-1 deal. See, look at how generous I am. Shaft work in this one really isn't too great, is it? I mean, it's a Schindler 330, I think. It's always going to be a little hit or miss. All right, that's it for real this time.